Deep within Fiordland National Park lies Milford Sound, New Zealand's most stunning natural attraction. With its magical combination of mountain peaks, ink dark waters, and superb dramatic forest clad cliffs, it must be seen to be believed. Visit Milford Sound to experience the beauty of this pristine scenic destination. For centuries, Milford Sound could only be visited on foot or by boat. Today, it's easy to reach this remote and unspoiled natural beauty from Queenstown. Take an unforgettable journey into Milford Sound and discover its pristine natural beauty.